bear market rally or is it a bull market rally itself? People are trying to find this answer and asking everyone about that. So we'll try to find out what it is. Nothing negative came in the market in the last 2 days, particularly on the front of the COVID. There are cases here and then, but no widespread panic. People are going about their regular things. People are traveling in the train, cars, bus, whatnot, planes. So it is not spreading as of now. As we speak, neither people are panicky, nor the government is advising too much restraint. Even then, the government has taken steps and advised the state governments and the hospital to stock up on the oxygen cylinders and the ventilators and the beds and such things. So, government is cautious and vigilant, and people are not too worried about it. There was a festival spirit about Christmas, and people went to movies. So, that is reflecting somewhat in the market. There is kind of a relief in the market saying that, okay, probably this time around we may not face the uh, brunt as we did in the first and second wave. The people are hoping that it will be like a third wave. So if it is so, then smart stock market bounce back will sustain. In the short term, it is all depend on the technical and the sentiment. People are relieved, but they're not too relieved or too confident about how the market is going to be. So even though the market there is a bounce back, aided by the bounce back in the Dow Jones index and the their Friday, American markets. So market is likely to go up, and it did go up. Before the market opened, people expect the market to go up, and it did go up. And right now it is, as said, it's around 19,000, 17,935. And and the first candle, there was a low 17,074. There was a drop and then up and market. And the first, you know how it is. It is chaotic in the first few minutes of the market open. So uh, this is how the market looks right now. Shall we see the screen? Screen is, shall we see the screen? Okay. Market is right now. Market is right now here. So now the question, the sentiment hasn't changed. I mean, intraday there is not going to, unless and until there is a drastic, no, sentiment is not going to change very much. So that being the case, what is going to happen for the market? So it is going to be purely on the technical front in absence of any news. So the low side, it is the today's low, which is lower than the Friday's low. So that would be a very good support point. And for the resistance, there is two resistance that comes to mind that pops out immediately when you have to check the chart. One is the 18,000. That is a psychological barrier. If it crosses that, there will be a psychological barrier being the round number and all. If it crosses that, then it is likely to go higher. If not, uh, Nifty might go try to reach as high as that point and then reverse back and will be range bound within this. We expect it to be range bound within this range, today's low and 18,000. If it is to break that because of uh, stronger sentiments about the market, then of course the obvious resistance is again at 18,059, which is where the high of Friday is. So these are the two important levels one needs to watch out for. If we were to go for check the Bank Nifty, you could see the similar thing. Already it is up about 1%. It is trading close to the days. It is close to the day's high, and in fact, it is closer to the um, day's high for the Friday also. So that will be a psychological barrier for that particular index, Bank Nifty. That is the low. As again with Nifty, there was a low, that is a big low that has come in the morning candle or the first candle of the day, and then it has since then improved from there. So a lot depends on the news. Short term, it's also going to be sentiment as well as the news driven, and the sentiment is in people's mind a kind of relief, but people are a bit cautious too. All depends on how fast or how severe this COVID is going to be. The, so that is how this next 1 or 2 months is going to be, or at the least it's going to be about 15 days to 1 month. This is going to be news driven, and the news is going to be predominantly about the COVID situation. Now, as we always maintain, if you are a long-term investor, this too is a good level to buy. If your say investment horizon is 10 years or so, then where we buy hardly matters if you have a 10 years horizon. If you are a person with a little shorter, say couple of years as the investment horizon, then yes, P ratios may correct a bit based on news or other triggers. Then load up on the stocks. If there are certain things you need to consult with your financial advisor before taking this hotel and hospitality sector stocks have fallen a big way in the couple of days because of the COVID scare. If that doesn't materialize, the COVID scare didn't materialize, the COVID is mild or insignificant, then these stocks can bounce back in a hurry. So consult your financial advisor and then take a decision on these stocks. Thank you. This is Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu and Zebu School. Have a profitable trading day. Good day.